In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your filing status in TurboTax. If you need to update your filing status, the process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change with confidence. Before you begin, make sure you're using the correct account and that you're ready to review your personal details carefully, since your filing status can affect your taxes in several important ways. Start by signing into your TurboTax account. Once you're logged in, look for the My Info section. This is where TurboTax keeps your personal and household details, and it's the area you'll use to review and update your filing status. Inside My Info, find the Personal Info section. Next to Filing Status, click Review or Edit. This will open the part of your return where TurboTax asks questions about your household and your current situation. On the About Your Household page, select your current marital status. It's important to choose the option that matches your present tax situation accurately, because TurboTax uses this information to guide the rest of your return and determine which filing options may apply to you. If you're married, TurboTax will ask how you plan to file. You can choose to plan to file jointly, which is generally the recommended option for many couples, or you can choose to plan to file separately or as head of household if you qualify. Take your time here and select the option that reflects how you intend to file your return. After that, continue answering any additional questions TurboTax presents. These may include questions about dependents or other household details. Be sure to read each prompt carefully and answer based on your current circumstances, since these answers can affect your eligibility for certain filing statuses and tax benefits. When you've finished updating the information, click Continue to save your changes. This confirms your updated selections and moves the process forward. Next, return to the Personal Info section and review your updated filing status. This final check is a good idea because it helps you confirm that everything was saved correctly and that your return now reflects the filing status you intended to use. If something doesn't look right, you can go back into the same section and review your answers again before continuing with the rest of your tax return. That's all it takes to change your filing status in TurboTax. Thanks for watching.